Hello guys, hello everyone. This is Chayan from quickpreview.in and today I want to show you a never seen before app. I am also watching this kind of app for first time. I am watching the drop shipping app and I am not telling lie. I am telling totally true that this is a drop shipping app. Let me introduce this app that is named as Pexify. So inside Pexify, inside this Pexify review video, I wanna give you the detailed overview of this tool. I wanna disclose you the pricings and the bonuses. Let me start with this app first. So the first thing inside this members area is the all product listings. So if I click on all product listings, it will give me the same page because these products are really trending now. Let me click one of those products. Let me click the show money inside those products, and when I am showing you the show money, it will give me three links: the link of AliExpress, the link of Facebook, the link of Amazon. And let me show you the two links from Facebook, from Amazon, the three links. Let me open here three links. Sorry, maybe my sound is little bit noisy because their cold is now going on inside India, and the winter is going on inside India, and I have got cough. Okay, so you can see here the big Sarder page is running this Facebook ad, and it is getting this amount of comments. You can see here 754 comments and 12,000 plus likes, and also 4,300 shares. So this is the trending product now. If you click on Amazon, you can see here the rating of the product. You can see here the rating of the product, and also the review of the product also. So maybe here is the review. So I don't know where is the review. It is not showing me the review, but the rating, from the rating, and it is a trending product inside Amazon. So these are the review. You can see here this is a very good product. This is a great product. So a team is working behind this app, and they will be giving you the best updating tool, the trending tools to use the drop shipping. You can use that tools to do drop shipping, and you can earn huge money. And when I'm saying huge, I literally meaning a very big money. Like you can earn $500,000. Okay, so from AliExpress is not opening, I don't know why. So apart from that, let me show you one of those products also. Let me try another product, that is Kitty product or Kitten product. Okay, so Kitten Carry. If I click on the Facebook link of, okay, let me also tell you, I forgot to show you that inside this, if you scroll down inside this page, it will give you the video of the product and also the thumbnail of the product. You can see here, this is the thumbnail of the product. The ad copy is also given, and the title, the total ad copy will be given. The video, a dedicated video for each and every product will be given. So the thumbnail is not ready for this tool now, but you can see here the Kitten product. Let me click on the Facebook link of Kitten product, and let me show you. It is coming. It is taking a little bit time. So where is the Kitten product? It is not opening. The Kitten product is not opening. I don't know why, but let me try another product from here. Okay, so I am now opening the Sketchgram. So inside Sketchgram, if I click on the Facebook link, it will show me the Bella Floro. So from the Bella Floro page, it will give me the product trendingness, or it will show me the product is really going good. So you should have this tool if you want to do drop shipping. Whether you are a newbie or pro, it doesn't matter. You can do drop shipping very easily from home, and this is a very difficult time going on. So this kind of product is really amazing, and I am watching from inside my lifetime this kind of app for first time. You can also promote the TikTok products. So let me show you, these are the TikTok products, and inside the TikTok product also the same features given, like the C product on AliExpress, the TikTok link, and you can use the product cost, selling price, profit margin, everything will be displayed here. So inside your version, there will be some more features inside your purchase version, and with this kind of stuff, the product cost is near about $3, and also the selling price is $20. You can sell it also inside $10, and profit margin is $17. So you can see here, you can do so by using this tool. You can do drop shipping very easily. So let me show you now from this page. This tool will cost you only $67, and for lifetime you are getting this tool, and they have really a good and strong refund policy for 30 days. Let me show you the refund policy from here. This is the sales page. Exactly from this sales page you can get the tool, and let me show you first the refund policy. So this is the refund policy. You don't have to give any answer why you want to refund this tool. If you don't want to answer, you don't need to answer. Okay, so that is unconditional, and also you don't need to explain anything about the tool, that why you want to refund. So you can ask for refund inside their email. This is the email, and you will be given the refund, okay, inside 30 days. That is the only condition. And apart from that, let me show you from this page something more. That is, if I reload this page, it will give me the refund thing here. You can see here 30 days no satisfaction money back guarantee, or 30-day money back guarantee, exactly same. So that is the thing. You can get the tool from this page, and to visit this page you can click any of the buttons inside this page. This is a page that is created by me, and as I am giving you the bonuses, it is the main thing to go through this page to get the bonuses. It is the foundation, okay. So you have to go through this page to get my bonuses. There are also two upsells, and for upsells 400 plus bonus, and for front end sorry, I have written it here wrong. It will be $67, and for front end 29 plus bonus. So get the tool, get these bonuses. These are the bonuses, and that will be given to you totally free. And there are some vendor bonuses, and vendor bonuses I have mentioned here. Let me show you, let me disclose you the vendor bonuses. 2 vendor bonuses will be given to you. So previously the vendor bonus was $43.99 they were selling, but they are now making it free. And also the second bonus, they were selling at $199, and they are now making it free. So 2 vendor bonuses will be given to you from the vendor. And also there are some mega bonuses, mega bonus bundle, amazing bundle, and there are some normal bonuses, the front end bonuses. And if you want to get the mega bonuses, I am allowing you for this product only, as this is a $67 product, not a $17 product. So I want to give you the mega bonus inside the front end. So get hurry now inside the launch period. Get the tool, click any of the buttons, you will be sent to this page. I am repeating, I am showing you that click any of the buttons, you will be sent to the sales page directly, and from the sales page get the tool and enjoy. So have a good day. Thank you. Me, Chayan Sarkar here, and I want to end this video now for this. So this is me, Chayan Sarkar. Have a good day. Thank you. Bye bye. And I wish everything is going good or little bit bad inside your life, because both are them of part of our life.